Hello Jolly Natics! Alam nyo bang may bago sa The Crunch na kung gusto nyo nga matikman lahat ng bestsellers nila in one plate, eto na yun. Kaya naman napadayo na kami para masubukan to dito sa pinakaunang branch nila na located sa loob ng Food Street along Alabang sa Pote Road, Las Piñas City. Ito yung newest offering nila sa menu, which is yung The Crunch Overload na for just 260 pesos. Meron ka ng one-piece boneless chicken with a flavor of your choice. Meron na rin yung chicken shots, crispy chicken skin which includes 2 dipping sauces of your choice, kimchi and fish cake for sides, 1 serving of rice, tapos may fruit soda for drinks na rin kasama. Yung crispy chicken skin nila, no doubt yung pagka-crispy and best to partner with their special vinegar. Yung chicken shots and boneless fried chicken naman, same ng quality, pinagkaiba lang mas bite-size yung shots. Parehas juicy and best to partner sa kanilang mga dipping sauces. May 5 choices kayo dito pero yung nag-stand out talaga sa akin is yung spicy K-style at Texas barbecue sauce. Tapos susundan mo pa ng kimchi rice, talaga namang solid combination as in bitin yung 1 serving ng rice. Yung fish cake na naghahalo yung tamis sa tanghang para kompleto na ang Korean style experience. Kaya naman sa mga hindi pa nakaka-experience ng The Crunch, eto na yung sign para subukan mo dahil pinagsama na nila lahat in one plate. So paano until our next food trip?